In this video, I'll share with you a few different ways to convert a PDF file to Word format on your Mac. The first method works great for PDFs that are mostly text and not too large. You can simply open the PDF directly using the Microsoft Word app on your Mac. When you do this, Word will automatically convert the PDF into a Word document. Once the conversion is done, just save the file and you'll have your Word document ready to go. Keep in mind, though, that for large PDFs with lots of images, this conversion process can sometimes run into errors. If the first method doesn't work out, you can move on to method number 2, which is using online conversion websites. A quick heads up, though, if your PDF contains important information, you should think carefully before using this method. There are plenty of sites available, but for this example, I'll use ilovepdf.com. When you access the site, select PDF to Word and upload your PDF file. Here, you'll want to leave the default setting as No OCR, since that's the free feature. The OCR feature does require a paid subscription. Next, hit Convert to Word and wait a moment for the site to process it. Once it's finished, click Download Word to save the file to your computer. Now, some PDF files have restricted permissions, which can cause errors during conversion. You can check this by opening the PDF in the Preview app and clicking the info icon on the toolbar to check the permissions. If the file allows printing, you can use a neat little trick. Just press Command-P to open the print dialog. At the bottom, click the arrow next to the PDF button and choose Save as PDF. This will let you save a brand new PDF file with full permissions, which you can then use for the conversion. Another method is using Google Docs. To do this, first upload your PDF file to Google Drive. Then, right-click the file, select Open With, and choose Google Docs. Google Docs will then automatically convert your PDF into text. Just a heads up, this method can sometimes mess up the formatting, so it might not be as accurate as using the online websites I just mentioned. Once the file is open in Google Docs, just go to the File menu, select Download, and download it as a Microsoft Word document. Finally, if none of these methods give you the results you're looking for, you might want to consider using professional paid software like PDF Expert. However, the price for these apps is usually pretty high, so think carefully about whether you really need to make the purchase. And those are a few ways to help you convert a PDF to Word on a Mac. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.